A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to my page, Dr. Rekha Sehgal, Homeopathy for Mankind. First of all, a big sorry to all my followers as I was not able to put my videos because I was busy in some other commitments which are as important also. But now I'll try to put as many videos as I can so that I can help you to some extent. Today, I'll be discussing a very important topic I have taken. As you know, the winters are there. Most of the patients coming to our clinic with a lot of skin diseases. There could be psoriasis, dermatitis, ichthyosis, lichen planus. But the basic root cause of these all disease is the dryness. So today I'll be discussing one major ailment, which is the dryness of the skin, which is also called as xerosis. Now, what exactly is dryness? Dryness is of the skin mostly in the winter is because of the loss of moisture from the skin, as your the upper layer of the skin, that is stratum corneum, is unable to protect your skin from the outside infections. So, this dryness is the root cause. It can present in many forms. Some people will complain of a lot of itching sensation is there, or they will itch a lot, or there could be a condition where the cracks develop, especially on the soles. Then there is a condition where you have a lot of flakiness, the crust formations are there. So, how in homeopathy provides a wide range of medicines which are very helpful and which can help you in treating this the major ailment, that is dryness. Once this dryness, because dryness is the root cause of all these problems, and if your skin is moistened enough, then you can get rid of, or your complaints can intensity can be reduced to much an extent. So, which are the medicines I'll discuss? First and foremost, homeopathic medicine which is used, that is, before treating the cases of dryness, first inquire in the personal and the medical history of the patient, which is very essential. As you all know, there are certain conditions which automatically causes the dryness, like the patients with hypothyroidism. They usually presents with a lot of dryness of the skin. It could be on the eyelashes, or in general in mouth also. They can complain a lot of dryness. Then there the people, those who are diabetic, the high sugar also causes one of the problem with high sugar patients are that they have a lot of dryness issues are there. The third, the people, those who have kidney problems, they urinate a lot, and because of that the dryness of the skin is there because the skin loses the moisture. Then there are certain medications also which causes a dryness, like some laxatives are there, diuretics are there. So before approaching these kind of cases, when the patient comes to your clinic, you have to take the this medical history also, which is play an important role, because then there your remedy selection will be on a different way. Your evaluation will be in a different way. Now, the some common homeopathic medicines which can be used for this dryness are, the first medicine which I have prescribed in many cases is alumina. Alumina, as you study in the books also, the skin section, it has clearly mentioned the skin is very dry, the chapped, dead-tree. The three words describe the kind of dryness which is there in the alumina, and with this the patient complains of intolerable itching, and that itching is so much when he's getting when he's undressing himself, or when he's getting warmth in the bed, and their complaints are better by washing. In skin complaints, it's my request is that you have to take the modalities very essentially. Clean cut modalities will indicate you to the medicine in a faster pace. So take care that you have taken the modalities in a very proper way. because evaluation of modalities comes higher than all the other symptoms. The second medicine, which is the sulfur. And as you know, sulfur is one of the very common medicine which is used in dryness of the skin. First of all, the appearance of the sulfur patient will be you will get a very dry, dirty skin. You don't want to touch the skin also. That kind of dryness and the dirty appearance is there. But in sulfur the modalities, the patient is very hot, but doesn't the all the complaints are aggravated when by washing or putting cold water. So this will clear cut differentiate whether it is a sulfur patient or an alumina to be prescribed. The third medicine which I have prescribed in many cases is fegopyram. In phagopyrum also there is lot of itching is there, but with this itching there is a lot of blotches is there. The patient will present to you with itching that there is a redness which is appearing in the skin lesions. So the intolerable itching and the modalities are quite same like alumina. They are bit aggravated by warmth and better by cold washing. The fourth medicine, which is very winter friendly medicine, is petroleum. Petroleum I have prescribed in many cases of cracks and where the skin with the crusty formations are there. There the petroleum works very better. The main modality is their complaints get subsided in the summer months, and the patient will tell you as soon as the winters come, our complaints started. So their petroleum. Usually I prescribe the word of caution is there in skin, don't repeat the medicines too frequently and start with the medium potency. I usually prescribe in a 200, and you have to wait and watch. Don't be in hurry in prescribing the medicines to our higher potencies or changing to the new remedies. You have to be very patient in prescribing the skin conditions. Then the medicine is hydrocodone. In some cases, like in psoriasis cases, when there is an acute exacerbation where the patients complain of a lot of scaling is there in their skin lesions, and the troublesome itching is there, there's a lot of pigmentation, blackish pigmentation is there, the hydrocodone works very well. I usually prescribe starts with 30 and then goes on to 200. Then the other medicine which I have prescribed, usually in an ointment form, that is chrysorbium ointment. It works very well in the cases where there is a lot of itching sensations. There are cracks are developed, especially in the palm areas or the sole areas. So there are these are the certain medicines which I have given in jest, which can help you in curing the dryness ailment. Now, how can you prevent the dryness along with the homeopathic medicine? First and foremost is an extensive skin regimen, which includes is your moisturize your skin with a very good oils, because the people do have a habit of spending a lot of medicines, a lot of ointments which are available. I would suggest that they should be very cautious in using these ointments. Instead, they can use olive oil, which works very well. It has a very moisturizing and soothing effect. Coconut oil also works very well, but in some cases I've seen where there's extensive dryness, olive oil really works very well. Second is hydrate your skin. For hydration, you have to protect your skin from hot baths. Instead, you can take short cold showers and protect your skin from extensive heat areas. The people start using, they tend to heat the rooms and then they sit. At least they should avoid it. Third thing is hydrate your skin with a lot of plenty of fluids intake, which is very essential part. You can take a lot of fluids. Third is have a good diet, good nutritious diet is there, especially it involves the omega fatty acid, means nuts is there, and which help in moisturizing your skin. And I would all suggest that if you start taking care of skin at that most level, so you can avoid them, all the other complaints also. If you have any query regarding this problem, you can contact me on my number, which is there on my page. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.